Hi, Chuck Huber here for the Stata YouTube channel. Today I'd like to show you the new Bayesian impulse response functions and Bayesian forecast error variance decompositions in Stata 17. We have added several Bayesian multivariate time series models to Stata 17, including vector autoregression models as well as Bayesian linear and nonlinear dynamic stochastic generalized equilibrium models. These models are used to build sophisticated financial and economic models, and you can now compute Bayesian impulse response functions and Bayesian forecast error variance decompositions for these models. To analyze Bayesian IRFs and FEVDs in Stata 17, you first fit a model, then use IRF create to estimate the IRFs and FEVDs and save them to a file. Then you can use IRF graph or any of the other IRF analysis commands to examine the results. You can learn more about the new Bayesian impulse response functions and Bayesian forecast error variance decompositions in Stata 17 by visiting our website and downloading the manual. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for stopping by.